Rich Laws Unveiled. In this dynamic space, we break down the complexities of personal finance, investing, and smart money management. For seasoned investors or beginners, Rich Laws Unveiled offers practical tips for navigating the world of wealth building. Join us as we demystify the principles to unlock the doors to financial freedom. Number 1. Invest wisely. It's like planting seeds for your financial future. When we talk about investing wisely, it means putting your money in things that can grow over time. Picture it as having money work for you. You've got options like stocks, bonds, or real estate. These are examples of where you can put your money to let it grow. The important part is to do your homework, really know what you're investing in, and think about the benefits in the long run. It's a bit like choosing the right plants for your garden, except your garden is your money, and you want it to flourish over the years. 2. Save consistently. It's a bit like building a sturdy foundation for your financial house. Saving means regularly setting aside money, whether it's from your paycheck or any extra cash you have. Being consistent in this habit helps you create a safety net for unexpected expenses and ensures you're ready for whatever the future may bring. So, don't feel like you need to save every single penny you earn. Instead, start small, be steady in your saving habits, and over time, you'll see your savings grow, providing you with a sense of financial security. Think of saving like this: the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. It allows you to take advantage of opportunities when they arise, giving you the financial freedom to pursue your passions. Remember, it's not just about the amount you save, but the habit of saving consistently that makes a real difference in the long run. 3. Spend less than you earn. It's like having a budget that lets you enjoy life while still saving for your goals. You don't have to be super frugal, but it's about making smart choices with your money. This means avoiding unnecessary expenses and finding ways to cut costs. When you spend below your means, you're setting the stage for financial stability and growth. The goal is making thoughtful decisions that set you up for long-term success. 4. Prioritize passive income. Imagine making money without actively working for it. Well, that's passive income. It's like cash flowing in while you relax. Instead of exchanging your time for cash, you invest in things like rental properties, stocks that pay you dividends, or an online business. Prioritizing passive income means setting up these money streams, and over time, they can offer financial stability and give you more freedom. It's building a money machine that works for you, even when you're not putting in daily hours. So, if you're keen on financial security and having more flexibility in the long run, consider giving priority to passive income sources. 5. Be persistent in pursuit of wealth. Let's delve into the significances. It's like embarking on a marathon rather than a quick sprint, emphasizing the need for unwavering commitment to long-term goals. When confronted with challenges, persistence involves not just overcoming hurdles but using them as opportunities for learning and growth. To persist is to maintain focus on your objectives and adapt to changes. This mindset ensures that setbacks become stepping stones rather than roadblocks on the journey to lasting wealth. Stay strong through challenges, push forward with dedication and adaptability for lasting financial success. Step into a world where financial dreams become reality. Unlock the keys to success with BraylNavy.com. Subscribe now and start your journey towards financial mastery. 6. Continuously seek opportunities. In the quest for financial success, it's crucial to maintain a proactive stance by continuously seeking opportunities. This means being vigilant about potential avenues for growth and wealth accumulation. Whether it's keeping an eye out for lucrative investments, exploring new business ventures, or identifying ways to enhance your skills. The key is to foster a mindset that actively engages with and capitalizes on possibilities. Stay vigilant and open to opportunities. This positions you to seize moments that can profoundly impact your wealth journey. 7. Manage debt effectively. This involves a strategic approach to handling debts, steering clear of unnecessary liabilities, and devising plans to pay off existing obligations. Tackle high-interest debts, cut rates through negotiation or consolidation, essential in managing debt effectively. By mastering the art of debt management, you not only alleviate stress but also free up resources for saving and investing, setting the stage for long-term financial stability and growth. 8. Learn from financial mistakes. Mistakes in financial decisions are inevitable, but the value lies in the lessons they provide. When faced with a setback, take the opportunity to dissect what went wrong. Understand the root causes, analyze the consequences, and formulate corrective measures. This continuous learning process transforms mistakes into stepping stones, refining your financial acumen and decision-making skills. Embrace a mindset valuing insights from mistakes for successful wealth navigation. 9. Upgrade your skills. Investing in personal development by upgrading your skills is a strategic move in attaining riches. Upgrade your skills for more competitiveness and income opportunities through books and/or courses. The marketplace rewards valuable skills, making continuous improvement a direct contributor to your earning potential. By prioritizing ongoing education and skill development, you position yourself to adapt to changing economic landscapes and consistently increase your value in the professional arena. 10. Surround yourself with success. The company you keep plays a significant role in shaping your financial journey. Actively seek out individuals who inspire and motivate you to achieve success. Whether it's mentors offering guidance, colleagues sharing valuable insights, or friends with aligned goals, a supportive network is invaluable. Surround yourself with successful people for knowledge, opportunities, and a positive influence in your financial pursuits. This intentional cultivation of a success-oriented network becomes a powerful catalyst for personal money growth. 11. Practice patience in investments. When it comes to growing your wealth, this is a fundamental rule. Investments, whether in stocks, real estate, or other ventures, may not show immediate returns. It's essential to give your investments time to grow and weather market fluctuations. Impulsive decisions based on short-term changes can hinder long-term gains. Patience allows you to ride out market ups and downs, giving your investments the chance to reach their full potential. So, whether you're a beginner or experienced investor, remember that successful wealth building often requires a patient approach, allowing your money to work for you over time. 12. Start early and save consistently. One of the most powerful wealth-building strategies. Time is a valuable asset when it comes to compounding returns. By beginning your savings journey early, even with small amounts, you give your money more time to grow. Consistency is equally important. Regular contributions, no matter how modest, can accumulate significantly over the years. This principle applies whether you're saving for emergencies, future investments, or retirement. The combination of an early start and consistent savings creates a robust foundation for financial security, and allows you to take advantage of the compounding effect to build substantial wealth over the long term. It's essential to emphasize that wealth building is a multifaceted journey accessible to everyone. We aim to simplify finances and provide practical insights, cutting through its complexities. As we navigate the intricate terrain of riches, it's crucial to recognize that setbacks and challenges are part of the process. Financial success is not instantaneous. It's a continuous endeavor that requires patience and resilience. Rich Laws Unveiled encourages you to view obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. By staying committed to your goals and adapting to changing circumstances, you position yourself for long-term well-being. The journey with Rich Laws Unveiled doesn't end here. It's an ongoing conversation about wealth creation and financial empowerment.